session, we're going to prepare for Adho Mukha Vrksasana, which is handstand. And often handstand is very difficult. We need lots of upper body strength. We even need wrist strength. And when we use the wall, it can be difficult to kick up. Then if we take it into the middle of the room, that's a whole other story. So working in these progressive ways really helps us to build up the strength so that when we progress to the final pose, we're going in safely and we're going in with stability and intelligence. So you can see I have a chair, I have a strap, and I have the short edge of the mat to the wall. Your strap is going to be about shoulder width apart, even slightly narrower than shoulder width apart, I find is helpful. So when you take the strap above the elbows, you can see it's just slightly narrower than the width of my shoulders. Now, if there's any shoulder issues or if there's shoulder stiffness, you may want to take the strap a little bit wider. So you can practice that in your practice, or let us know if you have a shoulder issue and we can give you some support. So we're gonna work progressively. You take the belt above the elbows and we're gonna take the hands a little bit further forward. You spread your hands well and you're pressing more into the space between the thumb and the index finger. Okay, and then you take your feet up to the chair seat. Now you start to move the shoulder blades in towards the back, towards the wall, and you lift the sides of the trunk upwards. You lift the heels up so the legs are strong, and you lift the inner thighs up. Let the head go so the neck is soft. And then come down. Feet are hip width apart, and then rest. Release your head in Uttanasana. Okay, and then put your belt back on. And now you're going to take the hands back a little bit further. Go up again. Now again, move the shoulder blades into the back, chest towards the wall. Extend both sides of the torso upwards towards the ceiling. Lift the outer hips up, lift the sit bones up, lift the heels up, and then come down and rest. Uttanasana. Okay, last time. Now you take your hands a little bit further back. So we're going for this L position with the torso and with the legs. Okay, again, spread your hands well. Take your feet onto the chair. Okay, lock the elbows. Press the shoulder blades into the back, chest towards the wall. Let the head go. Lift the heels up, lift the sit bones up, lift the sides of the torso up, and then come down and rest. And then slowly come on up. And you can practice that, if you have the energy, as many times as you'd like until you start to really build that strength. Let us know if you have any questions, and happy practicing. Namaste.